Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share with you a simple DIY where I transform a Dollar Tree wooden drawer into a super cute snowman holiday craft. Let's get started. Back in the summer, I made these drawers with Botanical Flower Rice Paper from Etsy. I will leave the Etsy shop information in the description box below. For the handles, I used the Dollar Tree Jenga pieces and painted them with diluted brown paint. I thought it would be great to transform this piece with a winter snowman theme for the holidays. I paint the door of the drawer with white chalk paint. I also paint the top, back, and the two sides white as well. The only surface I didn't paint is the bottom. After all the sides have dried, I am ready to decoupage my rice paper designs using gloss Mod Podge. I've cut out the 6 medallions of the rice paper and will be using 5 medallions for 5 sides. I apply a coat of Mod Podge to the drawer surface and position the rice paper where I want it. Rice paper is easier to work with compared to napkins. It's stronger than napkins and it's easy to smooth out wrinkles and bubbles. Apply a coat of Mod Podge on top of the rice paper once it's positioned. Let dry. Repeat the process to the other 4 surfaces. Once the Mod Podge has dried, I file away the excess rice paper to get a clean edge. If I see a place that's not completely sealed, I apply more Mod Podge. I went ahead and filled in some empty corners with more rice paper. I also applied a coat of varnish to seal the wooden drawer when all the glue has dried. Well, there you have it, an adorable transformation just in time for the holidays. I add some snowman and Santa chocolate to the drawer and I have a super cute gift ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.